and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a video for you on the negative push-up, and that's coming up right now. So how do you actually do the negative push-up? Well, I'm going to call up a video right here of me doing one in the gym earlier today. As you can see, I'm already in that full plank push-up position. Now, it's really important that you understand what you need to do in this position. I personally, when I do it, I like to get my hands as far spread as I possibly can, because that just gives me a little more stability and it gives me a little more balance when I'm trying to do this work. I will also very much engage rectus abdominis, my core muscles, my abs just here, and I would very much engage my glutes right here, so that I'm really bringing myself down as level as I can. I kind of don't want to see a bend, I don't want to see a dip. And actually there's a couple of reps in this video where you do see that. And I look at myself and I correct it and I go, no, come on, let's engage your core, let's engage my glutes, and let's come down as a plank. Now the negative, the reason it's called a negative is because all we're working on is what's known as the eccentric part of the exercise. And that basically means, good way of remembering this is, there's two parts to every exercise, concentric and eccentric. Concentric is when the weight is going up to the clouds. So in the push-up, that would be pushing yourself away from the floor. The weight's going up to the clouds, it's concentric. Eccentric is going down to earth. And that's obviously the bit where you're lowering yourself. That's it, that's all it is. And all you're going to do is, with a negative push-up, is we're going to time how long we can sustain that lowering for. I personally like to try and work for about an 8-second negative. If you're working for your very first push-up, that's quite advanced. 8 seconds is quite a long time to be doing it for. If you want to get your first push-up in, then 5 seconds would be good enough. If you can do 6 reps of 5 seconds, then you're probably going to be ready to do your very first push-up. 5 is easier, 8 will be harder. The longer you're going to spend time under tension, the harder it is going to be for you. And that, my friends, is the negative push-up. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, I've got how to do an incline push-up for you right here. And I've also got, if you're interested in learning a bit more about fitness, fat loss and fun, there's a video right here all about how to do a calorie deficit diet. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Peace, love and protein. High fives and positive vibes. Bye!